In 3, 2, 1. The beauty that we experience around us can unlock the beauty within us. Nature is one of the most healing experiences we can have. Nature provides us water, air, trees, plants, mountains, forests, and much more to make us survive. Let us witness how amazing and wonderful the nature is. However, according to Albert Einstein, look deep into nature and you will understand everything better. The wind through the trees, rain falling, thunder, the songs of birds are the most basic sounds of creation. Just hearing them reconnects us with our essence and opens us to eternal quality of life. It is the most precious gift of God to us. Human beings depend on nature to stay alive. Nature helps us breathe, give us food, water, and shelter. We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. Do something that shows that you value nature, because nature is preserved and not neglected. Whether you keep it simple and kick back in your backyard with your immediate family, and take a moment to get outdoors and appreciate the world's natural wonders. Since spending a little bit of time in nature is like chicken soup for the soul, and we could all use a little more of that right now. We should take care of our nature so that nature can continue to take care of us. It's not too late to protect our nature. We should be responsible in saving nature and we should not ignore it. Everyone should embrace simple living in our nature because nature provides what man needs and man should be responsible to protect our beautiful nature. Remember, nature is not a place to visit, it is our home.